In today's fast-paced world, electronic devices are expected to perform flawlessly day in and day out. But repetitive use can lead to wear and tear, causing buttons to fail and products to lose their reliability. What if there was a tactile switch built to endure millions of presses, ensuring long-lasting performance and user satisfaction? Introducing the TLSM Series sealed tactile switches, engineered for durability, precision, and versatility. The TLSM is a part of the dual circuit technology switch portfolio available from Littelfuse. This tactile switch features dual circuit technology, a single pole double throw configuration that generates two independent output signals. This enhances reliability and functionality, enabling complex control schemes, active failure detection, and streamlined circuit design. Its soft actuator provides precise tactile feedback, delivering a responsive yet quiet user experience, ideal for noise-sensitive environments. Built to withstand the elements, the IP54 rating protects against dust and water splashes, making it durable in demanding applications like industrial and outdoor settings. With an impressive lifespan of up to 2 million cycles, the TLSM Series ensures reliable operation in high-use environments, significantly reducing maintenance needs and enhancing product longevity. The TLSM Series is designed for a wide range of applications, including automotive and transportation, like EV pumps, dashboards, and control units, ensuring reliable performance in critical vehicle systems. Industrial automation for control panels built to last in harsh and demanding environments. High-end consumer electronics such as gaming controllers for precise and responsive gameplay. Medical devices delivering accurate and reliable input in healthcare equipment. Reliability, precision, versatility. The TLSM Series sealed tactile switches, engineered to keep your products performing at their best. For datasheets, samples, and more information on the TLSM Series tactile switches, visit littelfuse.com.